We're in the Patapsco River Valley State Park here on the county line. You can hear the falls at Daniels in the background. Here in front of us is an exposure of fairly high-grade setters formation, which was originally a coarse sandstone, probably deposited on a beach 500 million years ago. You can see the folds here in the rock. So this rock has been quite a bit deformed. It's not nearly as clay-rich as the original sediment from the last stop. You can tell because there isn't nearly as much mica in this one. This is mostly quartz with a fair bit of feldspar and a much smaller amount of mica. Here are the folds in the setters formation. You can see them going up and down. So this rock has been squeezed and folded. Over here is the vein of granite cutting through with the black crystals of tourmaline obviously visible in the granite. Now, one of the interesting things about the setters formation, you can't see it here as well, but in some places you can see it, is that it contains quite a bit of a black mineral called tourmaline. Tourmaline is unusual in that it's a boron-bearing mineral, and boron is quite a rare element, and it's not normally found in metamorphic rocks. And the question is, was it originally in the sediment, or was it added later? And we have a bit of evidence right here to figure that out, because this vein of granite right here contains all these black crystals that I think you can see in the picture. And those black crystals are the tourmaline. It's a tourmaline-rich granite. That suggests that the boron came in with the granite, and that boron-bearing hot water solutions then penetrated the setters formation and deposited tourmaline in the setters. The age of this rock, again, very, very difficult to find exactly. We can only do it by analogy to the rocks that are further west in Maryland, and making the assumption, and it is just an assumption, that the rocks were deposited at about the same time. Cut.